This video, you will learn 3 quick and easy head wrap styles to protect your sister locks, locks, twists, braids, or loose natural hair. Now, situate your hair so that it will be as flat as possible under your head wrap. And here I am putting the braids together and situating them with a soft band. You want a soft band so that it will not cut your hair. Now, for those who have short hair, a hairnet would do to situate your hair under the head wrap. You're going to need African cloth or whatever type of cloth you'd like. I chose my African pieces of fabric that I got years ago in Harlem, on the streets of Harlem. They were selling African fabrics, and I took about $150 and cleaned up with some beautiful festive African cloth. So you're going to need, for a short wrap like this blue one, it's about 1.5 yards. And the long wraps are about 2 yards of fabric. You're going to need to fold the fabric inward and create a band. Now, I like to have my band low on my forehead. And by the way, years ago, I was taught how to wrap these head wraps by a friend that used to wear beautiful head wraps. So they're very simple and quick and easy. And they all turn out to be one of a kind. So you will see as I situate this short piece of cloth on my head, how you can change them on the fly. It's simply just taking the ends and tucking them under. And yes, sometimes they will come apart. And you simply just take the fabrics, tuck them in, wrap them, and you have a beautiful headband, head wrap. Now, don't wrap too tight because you want to protect your ends or your edges. And I like to wear my wraps high up from the nape of my head. And there you have it, the first wrap. Now this fabric is a little longer and wider. This is about 2 yards of fabric. One of my favorites. And you're going to simply fold the fabrics inward, the ends inward. Take the one end and just simply lay it on your forehead. Twist it in the back and begin wrapping. Now, you want to make sure that your hair is smooth in the back. I could have, instead of wrapping my hair or braiding my hair, I could have just taken my whole head and just laying the wrap or situating my hair so that it will be flattened. This will make it much more smooth under the wrap, but because I was using so much fabric, as you can see, I got confused, like, okay, let me start over. That's the beauty of this, is that it's one of a kind. You can have fun with situating the wrap on your head. And it looks elegant. You can dress it up or you can dress it down with a pair of jeans. You can wear your African skirts. It just depends on the fabrics that you get. And again, I like to wear it low on my forehead. How do you like that style? My earrings and my necklace is from the African Marketplace in Los Angeles, California. Now, this piece of cloth is a cloth that I crocheted out of just pieces of yarn that I had left over from projects that I made. And it's a long piece of cloth, and you simply lay it again on your forehead, tuck the one end, the short end, under, and then you just begin to wrap the long part around and around on your head. I love this piece of cloth. It's soft and flexible, and you can wear it in so many different styles. The key to protecting your hair is being gentle. And although these are protective styles with head wraps, you still need to take care of your hair. Be very patient with your hair. Don't think that you don't have to take care of your hair just because you wrap it. Always use the best products. And now I'm going to share with you how my hair looked after wearing the wraps. Taking the braids down, and this is going to be a really quick and elegant style, something that is easy after wearing the wraps. The braids give your hair just a little more texture, and for those of us who have low density hair, braids just add a little more height and depth to the look of our hair. Just a simple side sweep, and you have a beautiful style. Which look do you like most? Write in the comments which style you like the most. And will you model these styles as a protective style for your lock style? The products I used in my hair are Premium Rose Petals Collection at beautifulhairproducts.com.